Alright guys, before going any further, let's start by setting up our database and migration tables. To do this, pull up your browser and navigate to phpMyAdmin. Click on New and name your database whatever you want. I'm gonna be naming it IntroDB and click on Create. Now, we won't be creating any of our tables right here, since I already mentioned we are going to be using Laravel's migration for that. Let's suppose I want to have a students table inside my database. So I'll need to create a migration for that. Notice by default Laravel provides us with two default migrations. These include the create users table and the create password resets table. It is very important to notice the convention used here. Whatever you want to name your table, precede its name by this create keyword and follow its name by the table keyword. Let's open command prompt. To make a migration, type php artisan make migration and name your migration. I'll just name it create students table as I mentioned earlier and press enter. Navigate to your migrations folder and voila, your table has been generated. We aren't done as yet. We actually need to implement these two methods, up and down. The up method executes whenever we actually migrate our tables to our database, and the down function executes whenever we make any mistake and want to execute the rollback command. To copy some basic boiler code, open up this create users table. So what should a student table have? I'll just remove the stuff for a while. Obviously a student has name. I will also include a date of birth of type date, and let me have just another one for the gender. Let's make it an enum, not gender. Provide the values in the array as a next parameter. And save it. Before executing our migration command, let me remind you that we still have to edit this .env file to update our database credentials. My database name is IntroDB, and since I'm using XAMPP, my default username is root and I don't have any password. Let's save this file and close it. Finally, create our migrations. Open up your command prompt and type php artisan migrate and press enter. We notice that 3 tables have been created. To verify, open up your browser and navigate to localhost phpMyAdmin. Inside your database, you'll notice all these new tables have emerged. So yeah, we have successfully migrated our tables. In the next video, we are going to take a look at models. Bye.